many animals around us. We see animals in our houses like dog and cat. We see animals in the farm like sheep and hen. We see animals on the road like horse and bullock. We also see birds on trees and in the sky like sparrows and crows. Animals like lion and tiger are seen in the wild and in the zoo. Tame animals and wild animals. Animals are either tame or wild. Let us learn about them. Tame animals are animals which are not afraid of people and are used to living with them. Most of them are domestic animals. Domestic animals. Domestic animals are animals which we keep on farms like cow, buffalo, goat, sheep, and horse, or in our house as pets like dog, cat, and tortoise. The farm animals are very useful to us. We get milk from cow, buffalo, and goat. We make ghee, butter, curd, cheese, and other milk products from this milk. The skin of cows and some other animals is made into leather for shoes, purses, and bags. We get wool to make cardigans and sweaters from sheep. Horses and oxen draw carts. Bullocks draw the plough in farms. Domestic elephants are used to carry loads and pull huge logs of wood. Pets keep us company and give us great joy. They love us and we must take good care of them. Some pets also help us though. Dogs keep robbers away. Cats catch mice and help in keeping the home rodent-free. Stray animals. Stray animals are animals that do not have a home and live on the streets. You may have seen dogs and cats eating or sleeping or roaming on the streets. Though stray animals are tame, we should avoid touching them. We can feed them from a distance.